Okay, so we're going to talk about problem 1a, and it reduces to cosine of 2 theta equals plus or minus 1 over the square root of 2. And before we go any farther, let's compare this function to the cosine function in standard form, which is f of x equals a cosine b x minus h. So what do we have going on over here? Well, a equals 1, so that's easy. There's no phase shift, h equals 0, and that leaves us with this 2. Well, that's b. So b equals 2, and that means that the period equals 2 pi over b equals 2 pi over 2 equals pi, but the interval is 0 to 2 pi, so that's why he can say that there are 2 periods within the interval. Okay, so now we've got that clarified. Let's go on to the problem itself. So if cosine of 2 theta equals plus or minus 1 over the square root of 2, the question is what can 2 theta be? Well, it helps to think visually for me. So this we recognize as the cosine of a 45-degree triangle, or in this, we should be talking in radians, so we'll say pi over 4. So that's one value for 2 pi, 2 theta, 2 theta. Another value for 2 theta, because this is plus or minus, 3 pi over 4 would work, so would 5 pi over 4, and so would 7 pi over 4. And if we're not concerned about the interval, or let's say the interval is infinity, that's where we could write out 2 theta equals pi over 4 plus pi over 2 times n, where n equals, could be 0, 1, 2, 3, ... to infinity. And but that leaves us with the question, okay, what can theta be? Well, theta can be 1/2 of 2 theta. So that would be pi over 8 plus pi over 4 times n, where n can equal, again, 0, 1, 2, 3, ... But let's now look at that visually and figure out how many of those solutions will fit within our interval. So we're going to go one more page. So the question is, what can theta be? We said that theta can be pi over 8 plus pi over 4 times n. Well, we could do pi over 8. We could do 3 pi over 8. We could do 5 pi over 8. We could do 7 pi over 8. Well, look, we've already gotten 4 solutions, and we've only gone through half of an interval. So we could fit one in here, 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 here. This one, for example, would be 15 pi over 8. And now that's it. We've found all the solutions within the interval of 2 pi, and there's 8 of them. So that's it.